Hey guys, Marker Square here, and welcome to my walkthrough of picoCTF 2017. So picoCTF's an ethical hacking competition. It teaches you about cybersecurity and really computers in general. This whole thing is framed like a story, a mystery story, but we're going to skip through all of that and just stick to the problems. Today, I'm going to go through the tutorial, which is just a couple of problems to really get you started and show you what picoCTF's kind of like. So first, let's do the problem name. So, tutorial 1 asks us, how can you figure out Robin Morris's middle name? Thankfully, you have a list you can check. And if we look at the hints, we see that please don't search by hand. So let's first see this list. And what pulls up is a very large list of names. And what we have to look for is the middle name of a person named Robin Morris. So the easiest way I can think of to solve this problem is to use the typical find function. And to do this, you have to press the keys Control and F together, and it pulls up this nice bar here. And let's look up Morris. That's the last name of the person we're looking for. And now that we've shortened the list quite a bit, it shouldn't be as hard as looking through every one of these. So let's just go down through these, and as we can see, they've thrown in a lot of names like Robin Morrison, but we're looking for Robin Morris. And there it is, Robin Elmay Morris. And Elmay is the name we're looking for. So let's copy that. And if we do enter flag, oops, I think I didn't copy the A, and submit. All right, it looks like that seems to have worked. And what this pulls up is question 2, what is Robin's dearest ambition? Okay, that sounds kind of weird, but if we go up to the problem, ambition, Robin handed me this the other day. Maybe it'll help me find the answer? Hints. There are a number of solvers on the internet that can help. So if we open up this, what it pulls up is this weird looking message that seems to have been encrypted. As this says, it's been encrypted using ROT13. So if we look at this, it looks like if we can manage to decrypt this cipher, this message, we'll find out what Robin's dearest ambition is. So what we have to do is really simple, actually. We just have to use and look up a ROT13 decoder. So ROT13 is what's known as a cipher to hide the meaning of a message. And basically what ROT13 does is it involves shifting all the letters by 13. So A, the first letter, becomes N, the 14th letter. B becomes O, the 15th letter, and so on. Z becomes M, the 13th letter, like that. And if we just copy this text, obviously we don't want to do this by hand, and if we enter it into an online solver, we see this message that makes a lot more sense. And what we get is that Robin's dearest ambition is to obtain an inflatable sloth monster. So it looks like this, since they've put it in quotes, I'm guessing that this inflatable sloth monster is actually the flag. And if we check it out, yep, looks like we got that one right. So again, we're skipping all because we don't care about the story. But it looks like what this is asking is tutorial 3. Robin handed me some color codes the other day. They don't look like anything to me though. Can you help me find her favorite shade of red? So it looks like if we look at this list, it pulls up a bunch of these weird sequences. So what these actually are hex color codes. What that means is these sequences of letters and numbers, which are actually hexadecimal numbers, represent colors. So they go from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 to F, 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 F. And what we're looking for is one of these that resembles a shade of red. So if we look for that, we find in the hints that, again, there are online tools which can help. And here, what we want to look up is hex color. And what this pulls up is this nice bar where you can copy and paste these. So if we just copied this hex code here, we see that this is the first one is a brown, so that's not what we want. C70002. And if we look at that, we get that, yep, sure enough, this is a shade of red. So let's copy this on and submit. All right, looks like we got that one too. Skip all. And we're finally here to level 1. And next time, we're going to start tackling just that. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time.